No paver project is indestructible. If you've been around long enough, you've seen what can go wrong. There are some common problems that take place. This week, I want to hone in on some of those problems and show you the most professional ways to resolve those issues. Let's get started. First order of business would be to remove your joint fill. Over time, joints can fail. They crack or they get filled with weeds and debris. Using the Quickie Joint Remover or the Optimus Joint Cleaner, you can easily remove the old material quickly without damaging the pavers themselves. You can opt to use a pressure washer. However, the high pressure of a pressure washer can cut into the concrete on the pavers, opening up the pores and allow for more plant growth. So next up, over time we see pavers rise, we see pavers settle with the elements. Using the Quickie Paver Popper, we can easily pull those pavers out without damaging surrounding pavers, add our fresh bedding material underneath, level it perfect, set our pavers back in place. If you want a great option for tapping your pavers down into place, we highly recommend the Sim 60. I always say buy your last mallet first. These are amazing mallets and you will love them. If pavers are cracked, it's time to swap them out. It's unsightly, unsafe. The process is basically the same. Pop the old one out, prep the base as needed, set the new paver back in. Failed edges are a serious problem. This is one of your greatest areas for failure on a paver project. When the edge restraint fails, the whole patio starts to shift, open up, allowing more dirt and debris into those joints, and if you're in a freeze-thaw cycle, you are going to get lateral creep. The fix? Remove the failed section, reset the pavers, and install our Quickie Hybrid HD edging. It's a restraint that locks everything back together, even on vehicular applications, open grade or dense grade. Once you fix your paver project, it's time to clean things up. The Quickie Paver Cleaner makes quick work of stains, moss, mildew, bringing your pavers back to life. After cleaning, we resand the joints using Extreme Easy Joint Fill. It locks everything together, keeps weeds out, keeps your whole paver project super solid. Last step, protect your investment. The Quickie Paver Protectant works like a sealer, but it's breathable, so moisture does not get trapped underneath. Protecting the surface helps prevent stains and keeps your paver project looking beautiful for years. So that's it, the full process of repairing a paver project the right way. So if you want these tools to make it easier, faster, more professional, be sure to check us out at pavetool.com or give us a call. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks and videos just like this. You can sign up for our tip of the week here.
You can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.